Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our History Spotlight series. Today, we have a fascinating story to share with you. We'll be diving into the life and achievements of Captain William Parsons, the remarkable man who played a crucial role in the Enola Gay mission during World War II. So, sit back, relax, and let's begin our journey into the incredible story of Captain William Parsons. Before we delve into Captain Parsons' remarkable achievements, let's set the stage. It's August 6, 1945, during the final stages of World War II. The Enola Gay, a B-29 Superfortress bomber, is about to make history. On board is a crew of courageous individuals, and one man in particular, Captain William Parsons, stands out. Captain William Parsons was born on November 26, 1901, in Michigan. He was an accomplished engineer and physicist who played a pivotal role in the development of the atomic bomb as part of the top-secret Manhattan Project. Parsons was responsible for the design and installation of crucial bomb components, and he was selected to be the weaponeer for the Enola Gay mission. As the weaponeer, Captain Parsons had the monumental responsibility of ensuring the success of the mission. He was entrusted with arming and activating the atomic bomb, codenamed Little Boy, that would be dropped over the Japanese city of Hiroshima. The fate of millions rested on his shoulders. On that fateful day, as the Enola Gay soared through the skies, Captain Parsons meticulously prepared the bomb for deployment. His expertise in physics and engineering proved invaluable, as he double-checked every detail to guarantee the bomb's functionality. Despite the immense pressure, Captain Parsons remained cool and focused. As the Enola Gay reached its target, the city of Hiroshima, Captain Parsons received the order to arm the bomb. With unwavering precision, he completed the final steps that would unleash the devastating power of the atomic bomb upon the unsuspecting city below. At exactly 8:15 a.m., Little Boy was dropped from the Enola Gay, hurtling towards its target. Captain Parsons' expertise and attention to detail ensured that the bomb detonated as intended, resulting in an explosion of unparalleled magnitude. The devastation caused by this single bomb was catastrophic, ultimately leading to Japan's surrender in the end of World War II. Captain William Parsons played an instrumental role in bringing the war to a close. His technical expertise and unwavering dedication to his mission are a testament to his remarkable character. While the use of atomic bombs remains a highly controversial topic, it is essential to acknowledge the tremendous impact and historical significance of this event. After the war, Captain Parsons continued to contribute to the fields of engineering and technology. He worked on various projects and made significant contributions to the development of naval weaponry. His work in advancing technology and defense systems played a crucial role in shaping the world we live in today. Captain William Parsons received numerous accolades and awards for his exceptional service and contributions. His expertise and leadership will forever be remembered as a pivotal part of the Enola Gay mission and the broader Manhattan Project.